Welcome to the Mojave Desert, Southern California.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today we are at the SoCal Fall Gambler500 2023, and this is being held in California City, near the Mojave Desert in California, about 200 miles north of San Diego. And this is the first time I've ever been in the California City area. I've been a little bit north of here, but never been in this area. Brought out the old Lexus, and I got my buddy's got a Jeep here today, so he's not going to have any problems. And we kind of teamed up with a couple other people. We actually were with a group and we got split apart, but there it is. So I'll get you some footage out there, I'll get some pictures of the cars, and all around good time as always. We're out here exploring on some roads out in the Mojave Desert. I got my co-driver Eddie. His second time doing the Gambler with me. Everybody loves it. I tried to get some new drivers, but two drivers couldn't make it. But everybody who's gone has said they would go again. So, hey, if you ever want to co-drive with me, you hit me up on this channel. Oh, we found a dead-end trail. It's fun sliding this car around.
Yeah.
If you look closely, you can barely see some damage to the windshield here. I'll discuss that later. But we have a hill over here. It doesn't look like much of a hill on the video, but it's pretty decent. So we're going to try to attack that.
Is he going to try
All right,
it?
this hill is
He's
maybe a little bit
climbing
more
that.
than we thought here. We
Yeah,
got
I
a
think
guy
so
on a
too.
mini bike up there, and we have a Hyundai in front of us, and the only modification that we see on that Hyundai is he removed the doors.
Oh, shit.
Oh, maybe he's peeling off. We got a Jeep ahead of us, a Jeep behind us.
What do you think?
Well, we just wait and see. Well, the Jeep made it up there no problem. The Hyundai didn't even try. And we got another Jeep and a mini bike up at the top. But here's the Hyundai. And he's out here exploring. So you don't need a badass off-road rig to get out and have fun. And that's part of the appeal of the Gambler. We go out, we go together. If you have something and you get stuck, we help each other out. And you just try. I didn't get any video, I don't think, of the Lexus attempting, but we didn't make it. We made it up to about the turn, and we just decided not to do a full send because we like to drive home. Well, we split up with the group we were with, and we started heading towards a waypoint. We weren't even sure what it was, but we just were hauling, and we found the Honda Proving Grounds. Supposedly there's a big, like a 5 or 8 mile oval track out here, and they test all their Honda vehicles out here, but there's lots of private property, no trespassing signs. We went just past them and turned around, so security may be on their way. And on the way here, there's all kinds of solar farms and other interesting desert things, but we're just having a good time exploring with our little group of 2 for right now. Well, we just did about a 50-mile loop to go see this fiberglass statue of this lady, and then the hubcap capital of the world. Not sure exactly how they got that name. I don't see any hubcaps around here. We got a lot of old vehicles. Lexus is here. The Mojave Gladiator is here. But we're in the desert. We're having a good time exploring, seeing stuff. I want to look around and see if we can find some hubcaps. Don't go there though. Oh yeah, the cracked windshield. Some idiot, I'm not going to say who, forgot to latch the hood on the car. And the hood came up going about 65 miles an hour on the highway. Slammed up, hit the KC lights, bent the heck out of the hood hinges in the hood, shattered the windshield. But we fixed it up. Hood latches, it's been holding a couple 100 miles already. But be careful, don't be an idiot, don't be a Tom. All right, everyone, welcome to Randsburg. This is a ghost town in the desert out here. We got a band playing over here. Pretty cool place if you're out here. Check it out.
Oh, check out that bus, man.
Lots of cool stuff here. Old buildings, old cars.
Look at that bus with the Volkswagen bus on top.
You go look over here, you got a old guy.
We've done a lot of exploring today, but a lot of it's been on the pavement.
Yeah.
Just worked out that way, but we're trying to get to Husky Memorial. I don't know if I have the right coordinates or not, but we're exploring off-road, and that's a good thing. Mornings in Gambler Camp are always interesting. Things get moving slowly. There was a humongous pile of firewood over there last night when I went to bed, and it is completely gone. I'm sure a lot of people stayed up late and enjoyed some beverages and stories around the fire. But yeah, if you're the type of person who's in a rush to get moving in the morning, this is not your place. Take your time, make your coffee, get the tent all taken down, packing things up, getting ready to go out for some more adventures. But I think we'll have morning ceremonies at some point here. We'll see if they do a bowling ball through the window.
And we thought about this, and this is a tough decision, but Pepe Chris, where is he at? Lieutenants and prerequisites for being the next chancellor or the next scepter holder, and he's always here. He's a fucking great guy.
We can't get rid of him.
Parties like a rock star, and I think he basically embodies what we're looking for the next until the next one. So,
Yeah, man.
without further ado, how about Thank you. Not at all, brother.
Cheers, brother.
And we're getting ready to start for the morning here, Sunday morning. They didn't do the bowling ball tradition this year because we had an out and back, so we camped here the first night and then came here for the second night. So they decided, since everyone had left stuff at camp, that they weren't going to do that, so we didn't get to see someone's window get knocked out. That's okay. Probably going to find someone who's getting ready to go so we can go hit some more dirt with the car before we go home for the day. Yeah, we have all kinds of different gamblers here.
I tried to climb the hill. I felt like it was.
We're out solo exploring today. Everyone pretty much split off. It didn't seem like too many people were interested in going out and doing too much. So we wanted to get a little bit more dirt under the tires. We did a little bit of street yesterday, more street than dirt, but it was okay. But
Oh, yeah.
we're just going to try to keep it mellow that way. Since we're by ourselves, I got comfortable shoes on, but Eddie didn't wear the walking shoes. But this car is pretty capable, so as long as we don't get into something stupid, we're fine. And there are probably hundreds of miles of trails out here. out here by ourselves. Should we try it?
Let's do it.
No, let's not. This is, I don't know how the video is going to look, but usually on videos it doesn't look as steep. This is pretty steep. And yeah, we're by ourselves, so I'd rather not camp here tonight. We've been trying to get to the highway, and we had a really nice road, and then it turned into not a nice road. It's been a challenge, but the car hasn't had any real issues getting up anything, but we're by ourselves, so we kind of were hoping for an easy trail. Haven't found it yet, but I did see the highway, so we're getting close. But we saw this building in the distance, and the trail went right to it, so I love abandoned buildings. Making a little gambler lunch here at our abandoned building stop. So we found this building, and I'd been just kind of dead reckoning going east because that's where the highway is, but I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually a paved road here, so maybe we'll get lucky and we can drive out of here because it's been rough. There's definitely been some spots where we were thinking we might have to turn around and backtrack all the way out. Yeah, well, we could show you the road, but it doesn't look like anything here. We'd have to go back to where it was at. Yeah. Oh, well, yeah, I put the paved road on there, Eddie. Relax. I wish we would have got some video coming up this hill because it was steep and rocky, but the car did really good. Well, we stopped. We got out on that paved road. It actually took us right to the 395, and then we went down to Kramer Junction here. Wash our hands, use the facilities, air up our tires, and we were able to help out some bystanders who needed some air as well, so that was a good thing. It's always good when you can help someone out. But now it's just the drive home. Well, I got home late last night and I realized I forgot to shoot a outro to this video. So got home, no issues, unloaded the car, and pretty good. Besides the stupid move on my part not latching the hood, we had no mechanicals. The car performed great, and we had a great time at the Gambler. So if you get a notion to join one of these things, they're all over the US and maybe even other places, and you don't have to build a car. You can if you want to. They say, you know, try to find something cheap, make it, have fun. But if you have any vehicle and you want to go out there, go ahead. It's a very good time, and you'll definitely meet some neat people, and I don't think I've ever heard anyone having a bad time there. I know I always have a good time and look forward to it. Next one's coming up 6 months. All right, if you're enjoying my content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.